Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Hallah, Perek Daled Mishna Aleph. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss two batches of dough. So you had two women who were each kneading dough, right, making Hallah, and those two pieces of dough came in contact with each other. Now, the point of the Mishnah over here is that each piece of dough on its own wasn't enough of Shi'ur Hallah, right? Didn't have the minimum measurement of Hallah. But if the two of them were touching each other and they combined and they stuck together, then between the two, you would have the, Hameshet Revaim, or the 43.2 betzah, that would obligate the dough in Hallah. So Shte Nashim, Sha'asu Shne Kabim, right? Two women who made two kabim. Between the two of them, they had two kabim, right? Each one had one kab each. And they touched each other, right? They, as we explained before, they stuck together. So afilu hem min ehad piturim, even if it's from the same, they both using wheat flour and they both touch each other, it doesn't matter, they're both patur. Ubizman shem shelisha ahad, right? If they belong to one person, right? So she had, one batch of dough, one kav of one dough, another kav of another dough, and they touched, right? They stuck together. Bizman shehe, right? Min bemino hayav. If it's the same species, right? If you had wheat flour, that also touched wheat dough, right? That would be hayav. Next Mishnah will discuss other options, what min bemino really is. But the most obvious case, if they're both, dough made out of wheat flour, they'll both be hayav. Now, what's interesting over here. Okay, let's finish the Mishnah. But if it was two different ones, let's say it was dough from barley and dough from wheat, and they touched and they stuck together, that would be patur, even if it was from one woman. Now, just to point out that over here we said they had one kav and another kav, and they touched together, and then it's going to be hayav. So it sounds like two kabim are going to be hayav, where we know, right? We know that's not the case. We know it's hameshet revaim, right? 5/4, right? Or 1 1/4 kav. Over here we're saying 2 kav, it seems to be hayav. And Harambam actually is of the opinion that this Mishnah is according to Bet Hillel, right? Bet Hillel is brought down in Mishnah and Eduyot, who says, mikabayim hallah, right? You need 2 kav in order to be obligated in hallah. But halacha is not like Bet Hillel. Halacha is like, as we mentioned, the halacha over here in our Mishnah, right, which spoke about in our Masechet, which spoke about our Hameshet Revaim, which ended up being the 43.2 betzah.